Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best heat press t-shirt printing machine that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Super Deal Pro 5 Indiana 1 Heat Press Multifunction Sublimation. If you want a machine that transfers heat on various material including canvas at high speeds, then you may want to consider the Super Deal Pro 5. This machine that is quite versatile and easy to use as it has several features that make it ideal for business and home printing. While it does not have the attachments that work for curved items such as mugs and vases, it does great with flat surfaces. One of the features that makes this press stand out is its control system with a swing rotating 360 degrees to allow a range of activity. The design makes it require a little more space, but you can still have it on your kitchen counter. The settings on the machine make it easy to work with even without prior experience. Heated up from 0 to 399 degrees Fahrenheit for excellent heat transfer on different types of material. With a timer range of 0 to 999 seconds, you can set it to the time sufficient to imprint numbers and images on t-shirts, jigsaw puzzles, ceramic tiles, and other flat surfaces. When done working, just move the plate to the side to avoid any injuries on the person working with this press. It features a beeper that lets temperature changes as a safety measure that also goes off when heat transfer is complete. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the POWERPRESS Industrial Quality Digital 15BY15INCH Sublimation. Then Powerpress is the machine for you. It is not a new name in the press heating industry, and over time the brand has become one of the most recommended. The Powerpress Industrial Quality Digital 15x15-inch Sublimation Heat Press, with its aluminum thick plate for even heat distribution, is not the first to come from this manufacturer, rather it is a second edition. Being an improvement of a previous model, this machine has several improved features. Among the new features that you will notice with this new model is a Teflon coating that prevents damage on clothes when printing. Although as it much smaller, it works efficiently while saving power. It only consumes 110 volts, meaning you can connect it to a regular home outlet without it overburdening your system. Given its wide temperature range 0 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, you can use this machine for a range of items as well as different materials, even those that require higher temperature levels for heat transfer. At number 3, we have the VEVOR Heat Presses 15x15-inch 8 Indiana 1 Digital, Multifunctional Sublimation. The VEVOR is usually referred to as an all-in-one machine because of its ability to transfer heat on various items and especially those made of vinyl. Like many press heat machines, it comes with a flat platen that transfers images and numbers on cloths and other material, but what makes it stand out is its ability to transfer on mugs and plates. The curve press that is part of this machine makes it versatile and one of the great ones for those seeking variety. Whether for small hobby projects or bigger commercial ones, this baby delivers. It has enough attachments to print beautiful designs on textiles, ceramic tiles, and a whole bunch of other items. Its Teflon-coated plate reduces incidences of damage on material and promotes easy and even transfer of heat. A 6-inch by 3-inch workspace with 4 mug settings makes this machine one of the most versatile and ideal for those seeking a press machine that can make several different shapes of imprints. Thanks to its numerous designs, this machine is fun for the whole family to use. An impressive temperature range 0 to 430 degrees makes it possible to work with different types of material when using this machine. It only consumes 900 watts, so users at home will find it quite power-friendly. At number 2, we have the F2C Pro 5 Indiana 1 Swing Away Digital Transfer Sublimation Heat Press. If you are looking to take your hobby to the next level where you make professional-looking products, then the F2C Pro is the machine to get you there. This sublimation heat press makes it possible to work on a variety of items, including mouse pads, ceramic plates, mugs, and coasters. Made of steel frames, this machine is quite sturdy and it lasts long. The material also makes it easy to stand heat and to work on material of just about any thickness. It has a curved press that makes it possible to print on mugs, glasses and other cylindrical items that you would be interested in, whether doing it as a hobby or small business. You don't have to keep checking whether the timer is ready to go off, as it beeps to alert you when the job is done. An LCD display keeps you informed of your heat and pressure settings so you can adjust them to suit your preference. Because the plate is quite thick and made of commercial-grade aluminum, you can print different sizes of material. The working surface is large enough too. It lasts long, thanks to the material, and so your investment will return several times over. Good news is the price tag does not match the quality. You get great value for your money. And finally, at number 1, we have the DULYTEK 1005 German Marx manual heat press machine. If you only have your kitchen counter for space nut have ambitions of owning a press machine, then you want to look to DULYTEK for the ideal package. Whether you want it for T-shirt design printing or oil extraction, this small machine will fit in small spaces and allow you to get some professional work done without denting your pocket. Its 3-inch by 5-inch dual heat plates are large enough for just the right amount of workspace, while the commercial-grade material, lightweight aluminum, used on them enable heat distribution for great results. It has a sleek design and touch-screen control panels for easy working to ensure you get the right settings for specific work. You are also able to save your settings for future use. For easy management and manipulation, an adjustable pressure knob at the face of the machine makes it easy to change the settings without strenuous pressure on the machine. It has a locking mechanism too, so that it automatically goes off when the set time is reached. Being quite lightweight, this machine weighs 30 pounds and so it fits in small spaces. Its temperature highs are 7,500 Fahrenheit for use on a wide range of material. Time settings go from 0 to 999 seconds, and you can save your settings too. You can read the temperature in Celsius too, as this machine has dual settings. It uses 600 watts of power with a 110 voltage. The bigger parts of this machine have a 6-month limited warranty, while smaller parts are covered for 3 years. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.